That's why. Ouch! Now he is now on vacation. I know he is very happy to his wife already. They are going picnic now. They are happy now on the mountain, Mount Bumarayo. They are making the baby. Oh, it's okay. Aray ko.
It's okay, ha?
Wife. No, I'm not the wife. I'm only the trash can. Oh my gosh. Why you're too much hurting me? I'm saying I'm busy talking to them. Why you're too much irritating me, huh? So that's why, guys. That's why I'm too much lonely the past 2 months. I'm crying and crying. I'm making drama also. But now, ouch! But now I'm okay now. But now I'm okay. It's okay, no problem, madam. I can understand the situation. Because he has a family already. So what I need to do, I will kill. Because the wife, I mean, too much calling him. That's why. Your nose is too beautiful. You miss your dance. I don't want to dance anymore. I will dance only if I find a boyfriend. I will do the good performance. I just if I found a boyfriend, I promise. I will make good performance. They have become crazy now, also my viewers. I know. I can find someone who is better than that guy. Bro, show your friend face. See? She is putting again the blanket. Wait na. Give me some time. That's what wait for the right time. Wait na, bro. You call me bro. I'm your bro. I'm a boy now.
Boy long hair.
Yeah.
You are...
Thank you so much. Your nose is beautiful.
you are...
Oh, my love, my darling, I'm waiting for your touch. My lonely night. She is girl, color sister, okay? My lonely night. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Bye. Well, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my way. For someone calling me. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you so much. What is the name of this one? Ay, Jan. I cannot see the name. Jan? I don't know. Diyan ka magaling sa paglagay ng pangalan. I'm tired. I told you guys I need to sleep, but again I opened the live. How can I sleep again? I'm too much addicted to the live. I hate you, Cynthia. You're so beautiful. You more beautiful. You. Matilde. Miss you. Mali na mo tinala dyan washing machine na kuri-kuri.
Hindi ka pa intod kayo na.
Ba na ang burahin na pa may kasta. Sige, apa tadi sumangkot lang ako patay ko na. I have a problem, Diyos ko. Hi, Rhea. Hi, Pia. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you, Rhea. How are you, Rhea? Oh. Oh.
Ito, kwarta mo yung tumakawag siya.
No, you are not at the guest. What happened? No, nothing happened. Nothing happened, madam. No happened, madam. There's nothing happened, madam. Telling the truth, madam. No happened. Bilal Hussein. Hello, Uncle Bilal.
Bilat ni Emma.
Yang mana Hussein aja. বাংলাদেশ আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি কেমন আছো ভাইয়া কি চাও আমি পছন্দ করি ভাইয়া matulog ka lista tam baras to makar pwede mo sana na dito to saya wait lang ko na siya bukan ako Why you laughing there?